Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul bin Muhayeddin from class CS1104E. Me as a project manager for Chocojar food ordering system. Here is my other team members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Airil Hazwan bin Muhamad Azhar. I am from class CS1104E and my role in this team is database designer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Ramli and I'm from class CS1104E. My role is I am the main programmer for my group and my task is to make website designing and coding. So today I'm going to showcase you customer interface in our website.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mukhlis Hakim Saufi from CS1104E. I'm as the second programmer in this project and I'm in charge to take part in the back end of the project.
Chocojar is one of the famous product in this country. Chocojar shake is one of them who got a lot of requests from the customer to order the product, and when there is higher demand for this Chocojar to be sold, so they start to focus and listen to customer feedback and wish. Started off only with chocolate flavor. Next, they have made mocha, strawberry and mango flavor to make it have various flavor so that customer will not be bored only by eating chocolate flavor. There also made a special edition of flavor which is the durian king flavor. It is only for a limited time of sale and it is based on whether it's musim durian or not. Unlike other company who has shop or restaurant, they will have operation hours. But for Chocojar Shake Company, it is open to order 24 hours and it will be shipped or cash on delivery during the daytime, so that is the advantage of this business. The problem that Chocojar Shake Company have to face when they have a lot of messages from WhatsApp and it's hard to catch up with orders from the customers. Next, there is no place to store customer details. For example, customer address, where customer have to keep on repeatedly to the seller their address, and that can make customer feel annoying. Furthermore, there is no place to store customer orders. It's hard when customer order a lot of chocolate from different flavor. Customer keep on complaining about missing orders when receive the product. And lastly, owner might have lost because they can assume what flavor being ordered the most. So we create a Chocojar food ordering system to make sure all the orders from customer can be followed accurately. Next, we create this for easily to know the details of customer, for example address and phone number. Moreover, for easily to find what customer have ordered from different type of flavor, so we not missing any orders. And last but not least, for the seller to easily know what the most ordered flavor, so they know what flavor have to restock the most. They also have the software used while building our application, which is XAMPP Web Server Stack Package, MySQL, Bracket and PHP MyAdmin. Moreover, this software is accessible by the following hardware device, which is laptop and PC. There is one specialized output hardware by the system to print data and generate information based the data received, which is printer.
Thank you, Muniif. So I will continue the presentation. I will explain about DFD and ERD. Firstly, I will talk about DFD. The first process in this DFD is login process. This process will take staff ID, staff password from data storage staff. For customer, it will take customer phone number and password. It will compare it with what the user already put. If true, it will go to the system. For sign up process, the customer need to insert their detail to create account. Next, after login, customer will see the list of product for them to choose and add to their cart. After they already choose, they need to confirm to proceed to get the invoice. For staff, when they are logged in, they will go to admin interface. In this interface, they can see list of seller, list of order, and sale graph. They also can update their product stocks and update their details. Okay, next, this is our ERD. We have 5 tables in this ERD. So firstly, we have table customer. In this table, we have 6 attributes. The primary key for this table is customer ID and other details such as customer name, address, and many more. Then we have seller table. In this table have 4 attributes. The primary key is seller ID, and other than that, we have seller name, phone number, and password. Next, we have order table. The primary key is order ID, and we have 2 foreign keys that are customer ID and seller ID, and other attributes like order date and complete. Next, we have invoice table. The primary key is invoice ID. The foreign key is order ID and product ID. Besides that, the other attribute is quantity. Next, we have product table. The primary key is product ID and 6 other attributes. Okay, so we will continue to Adib for the next presentation.
So let's get into it. This is the welcoming page for seller and customer. So you can log in as seller or customer, and I'm going to show you the example of customer. So you click customer. If you already have an account, you can just log in. But if you a new customer, you need to create a new account. So you need to fill in this form to create an account. So I will use my brother information. This is his name, enter address, and his phone number 212-345-6789. Then enter your email. This is my brother email, password, and you need to repeat the same password just like you type above, and then you're good to go. You can sign up, and there's some message pop out say registration is success. So click OK, and when the registration is success, we'll go into database customer like this. Okay, so next we can log in. 712-245-6789. Our password and yes, and can log in. This is the homepage for Chocojar shake, and this is the motto Chocojar shake use: once tested, you will never stop. And then this is the display of how Chocojar actually look, and there is list of flavor that customer can choose. We have a variety: chocolate, mocha, mango, strawberry, and musang king. Each can go with anyone taste, and you can click on the icon to go to the Chocojar shake official company media social. So first is Facebook. This is the official Facebook page for Chocojar shake. This Chocojar shake. And for the Instagram, official Chocojar shake Instagram too. And lastly is the Twitter, official Chocojar shake Twitter too. Chocojar shake. Okay. Okay, then next page is order. This is where the customer can order. So customer can choose any of the flavor they like and enter the quantity. So for example, I like chocolate. We can choose quantity, or we can type it itself. So I want 2 chocolate and click add to cart. So message will pop up say Chocojar added into your cart. So you click OK. Then let's say I want to add 1 strawberry. So I will add to cart strawberry, and you got the same message pop out. Then you can check your order at your cart. So just like I ordered just now, 2 chocolate and 1 strawberry. So this is the total price need to be paid. Okay, so we can edit the quantity. So let's say I want only 1. When I see like it's too expensive for me, I want only 1. I can change 1 and edit. Say it message for out say product quantity edited. So okay. So you can see the price is lower and the quantity is decreased. But if we can remove order too. Say I don't want strawberry, and I can remove. So you say product deleted, and yeah, only have 1 flavor, only chocolate. So customer can proceed to checkout, and they will receive invoice like this. Thanks for buying Chocojar shake. So customer need to make payment to this bank account. And you say number of item 1, only the chocolate, and total is 20 ringgit, including the fee just now. So customer can print receipt, the invoice, they can print, and if they got any question, they can call this number, which is the number of our project manager. So that's all from me. Thank you. Next, I would like to pass to Mukhlis for the seller interface.
Thank you, Adib. So next we go to the seller section. So first we press the seller button and we put the seller ID that have been given. So the password. Next we press login, and here the home page. As we press the home, and it will go to this page. So here you can see the sale graph have been shown. It was the sale information for each type of Chocojar. So we see here the Chocojar mango has been the most ordered product in the system. Okay, next we go to the seller. Okay, we see here the list of the seller that have been registered in this system. So we see here they have the update button. So we press the update button, and we can update the detail about us that have been changed, such as number. So we put the new phone number, and next we go to the order section. Okay, for the order section, we see this is the history of the all order have been entered in this have been recorded in this system. So we go to this order. Okay, we can see the option have page. So we press the view, and is go to the order detail. So here the delivery man can see this and can know the address of the order and delivery them. So if the order have been settled, we can check it and it will check. Okay, next we go to the stock. The stock page, if the referring to the stock that have been in our hand. So we see here the strawberry one is the lowest, and if if we have bought the new stock, we can update it like 20, okay. So the new stock is 30. Okay, that's only for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.